This is just for you that wants a steady and consistent skincare routine. You're a student, you go to work, you're a busy person, you don't have time to be looking for products that are so scarce. These products are right within your reach. My YouTube channel again. This is Lina for Linasbeauty. If you're returning to this channel, thank you, and if you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscription button right away. Okay, so let's just get right into today's video. So in today's video, but first let me just say, this video I made like 5 months back about affordable sunscreen. Guy, when I made that video, I thought nobody was going to watch it, but if you haven't watched it, go and watch it now, because it is going viral on my account. Okay, it is going viral on my YouTube account, so go and watch it after you watch this video. Okay, so let's just talk about the affordable skincare routine. I know how hard it is. Like, you want to get a routine that it's not so expensive, something that you can keep up with after it finishes. You can go out and still get it. You can be consistent. Girl, I have got you. Guys, I have got you. Okay, because this skincare routine is for both male and female. Okay, to start with, let's start with the first thing, okay, which is definitely always the first thing. You cannot apply skincare without first, going to take off the dirt on your skin. So this is what I will be recommending in today's video. This is the Dove, but this one right here is the Dove for sensitive skin. Okay, you can look out for the Dove for moisturizing, but this is the one I have here because lately I've been realizing that my skin is sensitive. So this is the Dove, and it just goes for 1,000 naira, I think, like this in Nigeria, and a pack of 4 for around 3,500 to 4,000 naira. That's if you have, like, you want to buy a whole pack. Okay, this is 1,000 naira, so this is quite affordable, and if you're the only one using it, I think this can last you for 3 weeks. Okay, it can last you for 3 weeks. This is good. It's a cleansing bar. It doesn't have like so much fragrances, so you can be sure this is what you need for your skin, because all those extra fragrance soaps and creams, they are not so good for the body because they can actually cause odor. If you don't know that now. Okay, so this is a cleansing bar and it's very good. And see the way I'm even hyping this soap. Nobody is paying me for this video. Nobody is paying me for this. Let's just move on to the next, please. So this is to be used while bathing. Okay, just like a regular bar soap. Very nice, cleansing, soothing, and relaxing soap. Okay, so let's just move on to the second one. And I said this is 1,000 naira. Don't forget, this is 1,000. So the next on our list has to be like a facial product, and I'm going to be talking about this Dr. Rachel. Okay, so this is an affordable facial serum that goes for 2,500 naira in Nigeria. I hope this is quite visible to everybody. This is 2,500 naira Dr. Rachel Vitamin C Serum. This is an everyday serum that can be used in the morning and night. This is a 50 ml vitamin C serum. This can last you for over a month, guys. This can last you for over a month. And the good thing about it is it has hyaluronic acid in it, so you are just good to go, guys. This is a moisturizer. Okay, this acts as a moisturizer. I'm not going to talk about facial creams in this video because facial creams is like a whole different topic from this one. So I'll be advising you to get a facial serum if you're going for an everyday skincare routine. Okay, if you're not trying to bleach your skin or get whiter or treat acne, this is an everyday skincare routine that you can use. This facial serum, guys, this facial serum is very good, but do not use facial serums, especially vitamin C facial serums, without a sunscreen. Okay, without a sunscreen. And if you've reacted to this serum, because I have reacted to this serum before, and I've seen a couple of videos on this same YouTube talking about people that have reacted to this serum. So if you reacted to this serum, you can go for the Premier Vitamin C Serum. I don't know which one is better because I haven't used that one. This is the one I've used, and this goes for 2,500 naira. And nobody is paying me to talk about this product. Nobody. If you've watched this video so far, thank you for watching. And I will always say, please hit the subscribe button. It is totally free. Just hit that subscribe button below. So the next on our list on affordable skincare products for a daily skincare routine has to be our body lotion. So this is the body lotion I will be recommending for this video. This product is good for all skin types. First of all, this particular Jergens is the Jergens shea butter. Okay, this particular one is good. I love products that have shea butter or cocoa butter. I love products that have that. So this is the one that I'll be recommending for this video, and I think it goes for 7,000 naira because I got it for that amount, 7,000 naira. Okay guys, so this is another product that can last you for over a month. This can last you for over a month, and it is very lightweight and very moisturizing, very moisturizing. So let me just read out what Jergens says their products can do. Let me just be that I'm just talking. So it says Jergens enriching shea butter moisturizer melts into the skin to deeply condition and enhance your natural sheen. This nourishing oil blend is infused with pure African shea butter, which has been used in skincare for centuries, passed down from generation to generation. Share in this beauty secret and reveal stunning 3 times more radiant skin. Smooth it on daily and let your inner beauty shine. Guys, this is enough hyping. Okay, this is enough hyping. They have hyped their product enough. So now we've talked about the Dove cleansing bar, talk about the facial serum, which is 2.5, and we talked about this, which is 7,000 naira. So in total that is 10,500. So we are down to another 4,500. Guys, it's getting interesting, it's getting more. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is your body spray. Guys, this is skincare. Skincare is everything from head to toe. You cannot use all those nice, beautiful, good, nourishing skincare products and not buy a spray. Okay guys, so this is a spray I got like sometimes like 2 months ago, and I got it for 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira this spray. Okay, I'm not saying this is the best spray in the market, or I'm not advertising for this particular brand. All I'm saying is get yourself a spray. Okay, spray of 1,000 naira is okay, or a body mist of 1,000 naira is okay. It's all part of skincare. All part of skincare. Look good and smell nice. So remember I said when using your facial serums, don't forget to use a sunscreen. So because of the nature of this video, we're trying to cut costs, we're trying to be affordable. I'm going to be talking about this Gavia sunscreen. And if you haven't watched the video I made on affordable sunscreens, now is the time for you to go and watch it. Okay, after you're done watching this one, of course. After you're done watching this one, of course. So this is the sunscreen we're going to be talking about. This is 3,500 naira, which sums up everything as 15,000 naira. Guys, these products I've talked about in today's video are affordable. Okay, they are affordable and they're just for everyday skincare routine. They don't lighten, they don't cure eczema, or they don't do anything extraordinary. This is just for you that wants a steady and consistent skincare routine. You're a student, you go to work, you're a busy person, you don't have time to be looking for products that are so scarce. These products are right within your reach and they are so affordable. Okay, so I'm not going to be talking much about this sunscreen because I've said everything I need to say in the video I recommended for you. But all I can say is this sunscreen is good, it's affordable, it's consistent, and it doesn't leave a white cast. So yes, I think we've come to the end of today's video so far. Please subscribe. It's free. Just hit the subscribe button below, like this video, and don't forget to turn on post notification. See you all in my next video. Bye.